To book TrenItalia tickets, find a mission like this in your nearby station. Select the language, select the station you want to go, then select the number of people, and then you get a list of the trains. Select the timing which you want to go, and then proceed with the payment either with card or cash as shown in this video. Make sure you validate your tickets in the machines available inside the stations. Don't forget to validate your tickets.
Cash.
Insert the cash in the lower right by the green light on the device.
తిప్ప ఒకటే డైరెక్షన్లో పెట్టాలి.
Collect your ticket.